Dakabai thu baya katai kamat ita lekren hak jelang jengke meli ko kongres dangsen unong ilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma ulai thu ru baladon ke jengkran ke basani bha habai dai bat ke isu ti bat khai be anyu doyong hak jela kat kum ke jengong jungu ke jing penslam men pendap khai lot yu doyong kadai tang ke buit po jong ke sarkar jela khnang banyo alat men petangi ke jing ti doyong be an klem perkhat pat ya ke jela Daka bakam baka jela ka don mentah ka kemkhat u Dr. Mukul Sangma ul ongru bak kham ima ka de nak jing penon kam baklai ki jing penmi nak jela dak jing tuklar ki kat to ka ni ki bedon ha ka bor kham tam e habai de bat ki jing lum khajana Shushu ulai thuru baka jing khay yudu yong lakan tai daka National Green Tribunal NGT hendai daka jing kerpat ki nong ti do yong ka Supreme Court kala ailat pat ban ket pendap e ki te ki do yong baladap ti hasua ka NGT kan khang ya ka jing ti udu yong hawar jakhat saw
Why is illegal transportation happening? If illegal transportation is happening, that means it's an illegal transportation of an illegal consignment. It's as simple as that. Now, if in spite of that they deny, then what? That means they are trying to defend, which is indefensible. And you look at the record, they have tried to deny it both outside the house and inside the house. I have number of occasions said, is it so blatantly possible for the head of the government, the political executive, to deny so as to hide what is happening? Will do they think that they will go scot-free? No, they will not go scot-free. Now you look at number of instances. Okay, the transportation of the coal has been already denied by NGT, Honorable NGT. The miner had to go and appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court. Now, Honorable Supreme Court on number of occasions had somehow been responsive to the appeal of the miners, and they have given certain period of time. Okay, this much period to complete the whole process of transportation and disposal, or in other words, the sale of the coal, which is the miners by the Honorable Supreme Court. It is specifically for those consignments which are reflected and captured in the inventory. Okay, inventory. Now, today I am telling you frankly that the coal transportation that has happened during this period of time is against the coal which is not part of the inventory. That means government has allowed transportation of coal which was not part of the coal which was captured in the inventory. Now, how will they disprove it when we prove it? Honorable Supreme Court has given this relief for transportation to complete all those incomplete consignment of coal which is part of the inventory, which exists in the inventory. And what has happened is that rather than allowing this coal which is part of the inventory, they have allowed other coal. Then where has it come from? Where has it come from? Another thing I will tell you is that after Honorable Supreme Court gave this relief to the miners to transport the coal based on the inventory, what has happened? Did you see prompt action from the government in issuing the challan to facilitate the transport and completion of the so-called residual coal as per the inventory? Has it happened? No, it didn't happen. It didn't happen. They delayed and delayed. And then they have the audacity to say that, okay, now because of various reasons, they justify that they couldn't complete. This time also, desperate to continue with this whole exercise of facilitating illegal mining and illegal transportation at the cost of the interests of the people, at the cost of the interests of the state. They are destroying the state.
Halo kadeng kali ke bacur bah hakani ke sesejan baladam teu menteri rang ba barim ke jela ulo ongru banak ai ke bapa hakilat pathai kubor kadai tang sisiet nau tha ba dah bakeno pat bak sarkar ka don mentah ki kamban penyai baklai babon ketran u Dr. Mukul ulo ongru ba sisien bala penon kam baklai ki kane hi kan kata alut habaro ki bentah om tang kata ulo ongru ba ke jela kala ban ngam tang nakadau katai kerkom trikam.
What was the reason of the massive traffic jam on Saturday? Something is going on where the revenue which would be accrued to the government exchequer is being looted. Okay, it's a very serious allegation. It's a very, very serious allegation. I've been hearing this all concern coming from friends who are in the ruling friends who are in the government. I told them, you tell frankly what is there, why are you hiding? And I think you also might be knowing, you also might be overhearing these happenings. So there is a dangerous trend going on in the state of Meghalaya. Dangerous trend in somehow engaging in some kind of manipulation of the institutions. Government can be formed by different political party at different time. But what remains? The institutions of governance. They remain. They are the institutionalized structure of a governance in a given democracy. Now, when these institutions are tempered upon, are manipulated, there is a danger to our given set of democracy. The state will sink because the institutions are defiled and manipulated and misused, and you will leave behind an institution which is completely corrupt, incompetent, insensitive, and incompetent of dealing with the overall real challenges of governance. And that is what is happening in the state of Meghalaya now.
Hagajuk opor lo ongru baka kongres kelarai ban yang persya yakinu ginu ki thong trekam buanra da ka sarkar pedang hapo ke lam jong ke BJP lada kilong persya yaki emlang salang bat ka ba kamiat jong ke cela bat ka thang hi bro ka wei.
Therefore, the government of the day should not take it for granted that majority in the parliament notwithstanding, our kind of democracy with a diverse background that we have as a nation, majoritarianism cannot be always taken for granted. That okay, because you have the mandate, because you have the majority in the house, therefore you have the mandate to take a call on various issues which are also contentious. Contentious issues must be discussed, dwelt upon, involving all the stakeholders. And wherever we have challenges of not having consensus and acceptability must not be imposed upon.